In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design a Miro workshop. Start by opening Miro in your browser. Once you are on your dashboard, click the Create New Board button. This gives you a fresh space to build your workshop layout from scratch, which helps you keep everything clean and easy for participants to follow. Next, focus on the left side of the screen and select the sidebar. This is where you will find the tools you need to structure your board. In that sidebar, click the Frames icon. Frames are important for workshops because they act like slides in a presentation. They keep each section of the workshop contained, which makes it easier to navigate and present. When the frame options appear, select the 16:9 frame size. This is a common widescreen format and works well if you plan to present your board on a typical display. Now click the center of the canvas to place the frame. Try to place it with some open space around it, so you have room to add more frames later as your workshop grows. After the frame appears, type Introduction to name the frame. Clear frame titles help participants understand where they are in the flow, especially when they jump between sections. Now you will add your first instruction for the workshop. In the sidebar, click the sticky note icon. Select a yellow note, then click inside your frame to place it. Yellow is a strong default choice because it stands out and reads clearly on most backgrounds. Once the note is on the canvas, type your first workshop instruction. Keep the wording short and action-focused, so it is easy to read at a glance during facilitation. Next, go to the top right and select the Visual Notes icon. This opens a panel where you can capture supporting text. Type the workshop agenda in the panel. This is useful as a quick reference for you and for attendees because it summarizes the session flow without cluttering the canvas. Finally, click the Share button in the top right corner. Select Copy Board Link. Save that link somewhere safe so you can send it to participants or include it in your meeting invite. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.